Lokayukta officials in Karnataka carried out coordinated raids across Kalaburagi, Davanagere, Bidar and Chikkamagaluru in multiple corruption and disproportionate asset cases involving several government officials and a retired employee. In Kalaburagi, Lokayukta teams conducted early morning raids at multiple locations linked to a retired Panchayat Raj engineer and superintendent engineer Manik Kanakatti. Searches were carried out at 5 places including a residence in Godutai Nagar in Kalaburagi city as well as properties in Hamnabad, a village house and a farmhouse in Hallikeda village in Bidar district. The operation was reviewed by Lokayukta SP Siddharaju. In Davanagere, a large-scale operation was carried out at 12 locations simultaneously by 12 Lokayukta teams under the leadership of SP MS Kaulapur. Officials targeted 3 separate individuals in connection with the alleged irregularities. The first case involved Siddheshwar Hebbal, chief mechanic of KSRTC, whose residence in Anjaneya layout, Davanagere city and office in Hubli were searched at 4 locations. During the raid, officials reportedly recovered 40 lakh rupees in cash according to sources. The second case involved Krishna Nayak, secretary of the Chitradurga Bayalu Sima Authority. Raids were conducted at 5 locations including his residence in Siddha Veerappa layout in Davanagere and his office in Chitradurga. The third case involved Sanna Kenchappa, KRIDL superintendent engineer from Belagavi. Officials carried out searches at 5 locations including his house in Davanagere and another residence in Belagavi. In Chikkamagaluru, Lokayukta officials also raided the residence of Assistant Conservator of Forests, Srinivas, following allegations of gathering illegal assets and involvement in irregularities within the department. Simultaneous searches were conducted at his house, office and his sister's residence in Kadur. His residence in the housing board area of Chikkamagaluru city was also searched. The operation was led by Lokayukta officer Tirumalesh. Officials said the coordinated raids are part of ongoing investigations into corruption and disproportionate asset cases across the state. Reported by Kalmesh Mandyal. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.